The Westinghouse WGen9500TFc. Best-in-class portable power, ready to handle any job. Comes with a powerful 120 240 volt 50 amp outlet and 30 amp twist lock. Both are interlock and transfer switch ready. And 4 120 volt GFCI outlets. Flexible tri-fuel runs on gasoline, propane, and endless natural gas. A 457cc Westinghouse engine generates 12,500 peak watts for work, recreation, and home backup power. Features include automatic choke for push-button start and remote start, a battery charger, and a smart switch outlet that works with the Westinghouse ST switch. The WGen9500TFc.